Here we're going to be doing an inline water filter today on the fridge here. We're going to start by inserting our little nipples here to get our connectors right. The complaint was low water pressure to the fridge. And then we'll come over here and we'll unhook our water from the fridge. Thank you for the towel, sir. Okay. Sometimes they like to fight. Okay. And then you just take, ooh, it's not shut off all the way there, but we'll be all right. Take your end that comes from the wall, you hook it to your filter here. Okay. Then I went and bought a 1 foot line too to go from the filter to the fridge. Okay. Okay, that's pretty tight. And you just hook this to your inline on your fridge. And then we'll have the customer turn the water back on here and we'll make sure that the water's not leaking. Not too bad of a job here. Got his new inline filter installed there. We're just waiting for the water to make sure it don't leak. And then I like these filters because they last 5 years, so you got 5 years of coverage there. You're not changing your filter every 6 months. Okay, so our water's back on. We have no leaks. So everything went well there, and I would call that a job well done.